Manifesting a specific person is a concept that Neville Goddard often explored, and it is rooted in the idea that we are all creators of our reality. Everything in our world, including the people we encounter, is a reflection of our internal state of mind. According to Neville Goddard, if we want to manifest a specific person into our lives, we need to shift our consciousness to one where that person already exists in the desired way, and we must maintain this mental state with unwavering belief. To manifest a specific person, it is important to first recognize that the world is an illusion, and everything in it is a projection of your own inner state. Our thoughts, feelings, and assumptions about others create the experiences we have with them. Therefore, to manifest a specific person, you need to align your thoughts and beliefs to see that person in the way you desire them to be. Start by becoming aware of the thoughts and assumptions you hold about this person. Do you view them as distant, uninterested, or unavailable? Or do you assume that they are kind, loving, and fully present in your life? The first step is to consciously shift your assumptions to reflect the version of the person you wish to manifest. You must no longer focus on their current state, behavior, or any limitations they might have. Instead, focus only on the version of them that aligns with your desired outcome. Neville emphasized the power of imagination in manifesting. He encouraged individuals to vividly imagine their desires as though they are already realized. In the case of manifesting a specific person, this means imagining that you are already in the ideal relationship with that person. Feel the emotions you would experience if they were in your life the way you want them to be. See them interacting with you, hearing their words, and experiencing the emotions that come with their presence. Immerse yourself fully in this imaginative experience, as if it is already happening. One of the key aspects of Neville's teachings is the concept of living in the end. This means that you must stop focusing on how or when the manifestation will occur, and instead, live as if the desire is already fulfilled. When it comes to manifesting a specific person, you must stop seeking external validation or signs that this person is coming into your life. Instead, adopt the assumption that this person is already a part of your reality and behave as though your desired relationship is already in place. Another important aspect of manifesting a specific person is detaching from the need for them to behave in a certain way. Neville often said that you should not try to change others or control their actions through forceful will. Instead, you must focus on changing your own perception of them. If you have a negative belief about this person or have assumptions about their behavior, you must transform these beliefs into positive ones. Shift your thoughts so that you view them as you want them to be, not as they are currently showing up. By doing this, you are energetically aligning yourself with the version of the person that corresponds to your desired reality. To make this process even more effective, Neville recommended using the technique of revision. Revision involves mentally revisiting past events, especially those that may have triggered negative emotions or beliefs about the person. In your imagination, revise these events to show the person acting in a way that aligns with your desires. Imagine them responding to you lovingly, thoughtfully, and in the way that you wish they would. By revising these past moments, you are changing the way you perceive the relationship, and this shift will eventually be reflected in your external reality. It is important to note that while Neville encouraged complete faith in the power of imagination, he also emphasized the importance of persistence and consistency. The more you dwell in the state of your wish fulfilled, the stronger your belief in its manifestation becomes. You must persist in holding the belief that the person is already in your life in the way you desire, even if there is no immediate evidence of this. The subconscious mind does not respond to doubt or fear, it responds to faith, conviction, and consistent imagination. As you continue to imagine your ideal scenario with this person, you will begin to notice changes in your external reality. People will begin to reflect the new beliefs and assumptions you have about them. Your interactions will shift, and the person will start showing up in your life in the ways you have imagined. It may take time, and it may require patience, but if you stay committed to your inner transformation, the outer world will inevitably reflect this change. Remember that manifesting a specific person is not about manipulating or controlling another person's free will. It is about aligning your consciousness with the version of them that you wish to experience. The power lies within you to shape your reality by changing your thoughts, beliefs, and assumptions. By embodying the state of having what you desire, you will naturally draw that person into your life in the way you have imagined. In conclusion, Neville Goddard's teachings on manifesting a specific person are rooted in the belief that we are the creators of our reality. By changing our assumptions, imagining our desires as already fulfilled, and persisting in our belief that the desired reality is ours, we can manifest the specific person we wish to bring into our lives. The key is to live in the end, to immerse ourselves in the feeling of our wish fulfilled, and to trust that our inner world will inevitably shape the outer world. With patience, faith, and consistency, the manifestation of a specific person is not only possible but inevitable.